I loved it. I love it. I love it. The Heymishness of it. It's. I think Yiddish actually is a marvelous language, and it can express things you can't express in other languages, emotional things. So in that sense, I guess it's sort of still my emotional home somewhere. Until we started thinking about this interview, frankly, I never realized, I think, how much Yiddish I had in my life. I didn't think of it that way. I thought I grew up just in your sort of normal household, English-speaking household. It wasn't true. I grew up in a Yiddish-speaking household, but I never thought of it that way. And I never thought of how much Yiddish is in me. So, and we did, my first husband and I, Milton, we sent Danny, our oldest, to Yiddish Shola that there was there. I don't think he learned much there, and he went to Bybrik for, I think he said 4 years. I asked him, but now I don't remember, 4 years. My next son also went to Bybrik. As a matter of fact, they were there together, the three of them, 1 year. So I was invested in Yiddish, but it didn't specifically have a role in my life.